How are y'all doing today, guys? This is my last two playthroughs of TCM.
And
Hope y'all enjoy.
What the hell happened?
close that, latch that, go right here. Oh, I'm by myself. That's nice.
This looks promising.
Now, as I feel, pretty sure I'll be fine. Don't sound like nobody's trying to wake up Grandpa. I mean, unless they're being extra loud over there and I just don't notice.
What's this? What do we have
I
here?
feel like I should go ahead and grab a second one. Pretty sure he won't come in here. Alright, now I gotta run for it. Y'all dirty people. Why would you bring him toward me? Out of all the people you could have brought him toward, you brought this lunatic toward me. That's so teammate-like.
Can I use this?
Oh my god, he's chasing all of y'all. What is y'all doing? He's putting so much pressure on us that they're about to come in the basement. I just know it. Let me open this door so I can get going.
Yes, I can use that. Okay, now,
There we go.
where's this go?
Oh, this is the map we on. Alright, cool. Very cool. Who is that? Oh, this isn't what I thought was over here, but I mean, beggars really can't be choosers now, can they? He did not see. Well, since they're both that way, who am I? Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Damn it.
Yes, ma'am. That just depends on who opens the door right here. Let's go, Connie. It's Connie, huh? I get battery. Let's go, let's go, let's go. As long as Connie get the thing and I get the battery, we should be fine. Here we go. We out this thing.
Okay, stay calm. Maybe I can find something. Shit. Okay.
Sure. That's crazy. Where the black guy go? We got the gate open. Is he dead? Oh my god, they killed them. They got both of them. All he had to do was wait. Oh my god, bro. We had it. We had it. Y'all got killed for no reason. That just happens sometimes.
Probably. But you can't be serious. Ah, Bubba on the bullshit. Bubba on the bullshit. Bubba on the bullshit.
I know he is.
What do we have here?
Who's this? Who is this behind me?
Nigga, me.
Nigga, why the fuck would you pull up behind me? Now I'm about to body check this
saw
nigga.
you.
You Connie, ain't you?
Yeah, I'm Connie. I gotta go get it too.
Go get your
He's
ass over there.
He's over there, goddammit. That's what we go.
Yeah, get your ass over there and get a tool, nigga. You know what this is. Shit, he's still over there.
Please.
Damn, this nigga is
Please
camping.
don't let that thing come back.
That's Barnett.
Yes, give Barnett the health that's right there in the corner.
Barnett can get the health in a second.
He needs
This
it.
nigga really is
Okay,
camping.
I gotta,
Yeah,
yeah, I'm God. Like, come on, bro.
we're all doing that, baby.
I mean, damn show over here.
Cause he's listening for the voice lines. He can hear us say voice lines. Whenever I'm killing, I just be listening to when them niggas say shit. But I'm about to start on this door.
It is
I'm gonna go ahead and just start.
starting though.
Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just start on
I'm gonna go get. Trying to go get two. Is that you with the?
You come
highlighter
back
there?
over here. Come back over here. No, somebody escaped already.
Highlighted. They'll highlight it somewhere. Over back over where? Where's over here? Oh.
Who the hell woke up, bro?
Oh, let me to the limit. I thought I told you.
There we go.
Yo, they both did.
Damn, Barnett, stop moving.
Bubba's over there though, ain't he? Is that Bubba?
Shit.
Okay, we gone.
Go ahead.
Matter of fact,
I'm gonna go get me another goddamn thing.
I can use that.
nah, I need to give me one. Where is that? I don't know where it's at.
He on the way back.
On the way back.
I have to find the others.
Man, how you just fly right up? Better get this one.
Nigga, I don't have high ass proficiency. Maybe you just... Damn, this nigga's over.
Oh shit. I hear him.
He's right here. No, wait, he ain't see you. He ain't see you. He ain't see you. Chill out, chill out.
He did now. He did now, nigga. I'm gone.
No, he didn't. No, he didn't. Chill out. Come
He
on,
just
come on.
like
Let's
it's
go.
on me.
Go.
It hurt me, dude. Damn right they heard this.
Nigga, Johnny ass is right there. If you don't move your ass. Oh, they're about to
Where you at?
escape. We gotta go.
Where they at? They in the back, ain't they? Yeah. Mark, where you at?
I'm over here unlocking this door to get us up. You you ain't got no pick still.
I do got a pick.
Well, come over here. Come to the far door, not the close one, to the battery.
Ooh, the who?
The
What are you talking
battery.
about? Battery. The
Yep.
generator?
Yeah, generator.
Shit. Quiet. Can I use this?
I don't know where that's at. Yeah, where is that at?
Where that chicken just went off, man. You gotta be looking for the
Oh,
cocks.
okay.
Gotta be looking for them cocks. Them cocks be going off left and right, man.
Hey, this is off. Wait, this is off.
What, the back gate?
This.
Oh, the bridge. The bridge is off.
This'll work.
Oh, no, I'll take it back. I'll take it back. Where you at? Yeah, I honestly don't know where you at. Let me
If
see.
you
He's
bring
probably
your
over here.
Connie butt all the way back to the car battery. Oh shit.
Oh, you this way.
They left already.
Watch my step.
Please
Okay.
use your Connie powers to come over here.
I'm about to. I'll see.
Just get to the
You
gate.
gonna do?
Go to the gate. I'm already at the battery. Go to the gate. Just run as fast as you can. We already out this hoe. We out this hoe. We out. Go on. Vamonos.
This unit?
Yes,
Oh,
yes.
we go.
Go, nigga. Go,
There you
go.
go. Oh, you go.
Connie powers, activate.
We go.
Yeah. Oh, no, don't leave it. Don't leave it. Oh, damn. I want.
Fuck that. We go. Oh, dang. You should say something.
No, you done left. I didn't even get to do the thing. I want to shoulder check a nigga
Oh,
before
you want-
I
you
leave.
want the shoulder
Hell
check.
yeah.
You don't got the. You gotta get a pick.
Gee, I'm gonna watch the show to check. 'Cause I can't do that.
Well, I don't see where they gonna come. I don't think they're gonna come this way because the other people are already escaping at the front.
Well, one. Oh, they both. Oh, they both. Yeah, they both out.
So everybody's out.
But no, man's getting a bone picks. The other ones, I think, about to leave.
Shit, I'm about to start
Yeah,
killing
yeah,
chickens.
she about to leave. Yeah, make noise. Make noise.
Come here, chicken. Yo, mama, a bitch. Here, whole ass chicken. Yeah.
But wait, you can shoulder check
Shit
everyone,
about it.
including Bubble?
Yeah. The thing says you can't shoulder check Bubble, but I'm still able to shoulder check Bubble.
Maybe you can't shoulder check them like as bad as you do the other ones.
Yeah.
Slow down. I need
All right, let me get out this hole. It's boring. Nobody ain't coming back here. They already know we out. All right, I'm done.
Oh no, they chasing the other one. They ain't worried about you. They're chasing the other one.
Let's go ahead and watch. Let's go ahead and watch them to the game over.
They gone.
Oh dang, they all
did.
gone.
Yeah, they
Ooh.
did. I told you they did.
Hey, hey, that's crazy. Everybody got out. Everybody.